Good morning, this is Dennis Draw with Guarantee RV here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm happy to share with you today this 2021 Thor 4Winds. It's a 24F. Now this one is on the Ford V10 chassis. As you can see, nice exterior colors, kind of a blue decaling. As we walk around the outside on the driver's side, on the door side, we have two luggage doors with electric Solara awning. Come across the rear, we have our 8,000-pound hitch. Here on the driver's side, as you can see, we have a nice storage door down below. We have a storage door, built right into the slide out. Three more storage below. One's taken by LP, one is taken by Gen, one's taken by electric. As we go around the front and into the coach, this one has the maple interior, so kind of a medium wood. Has a number of options that are nice. Has the overhead TV in the bunk. Has the TV in the bedroom, 32-inch TV in the bedroom. In the kitchen, it has a 3-burner cooktop with gas oven, microwave, double door refrigerator. It has a pull-out drawer below the oven for pots and pans. So we go in the bedroom, a nice sized bathroom, a nice sized bathroom with the curved shower bar, so we have some room in the shower. Folding rear queen bed, nice deep wardrobe. Booth dinette, seating for 4. But again, on this coach, of course, you have your bedroom with your folding bed. You have your dinette, you can go down in the bed. Then your overhead bunk. Overhead bunk is a great place for storage or children. This one comes with a safety net. Of course, you have a ladder to get in and out, which, if nothing else, maybe if you're lucky, it'll tire the kids out and make them sleep well. So we'd love to talk to you more about this coach when you have time. So please give us a shout. Dennis Draw with Guarantee RV.